Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you today how to start off this look. The reason one of my eyes is already done is because I thought I was recording already and it turns out I wasn't. So I started doing one of my eyes and then realised, and now basically I'm only going to be able to show you one eye. I didn't want to wipe all of this off and start completely all over again, but I'll show you one eye and it's really simple. I'm just going to be doing a halo cut crease. If you don't know what that is, it's when you do a cut crease, but instead of doing from your inner corner to the middle of your lid, it is where you just do a bit of the middle of your lid, hence why I have left room on this lid just to make it easier for me to do the cut crease. So I'm going to quickly go through what I did on this eye. So first of all, I put down the base colour, this one, into my crease in my inner corner and my outer corner, and then to blend that out a little bit, I used this darker shade below it here, just like I say, just to blend it out. So I'm going to quickly put on some eye primer and just do that to this eye, and then you'll be all caught up. So like I said, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade first. The lighter shade is called Playground. It's from the James Charles palette. You don't have to do this look with blue, you can do it with whatever colour you like. Just make sure you have a lighter shade, a darker shade, and then a shade either similar or the same colour in a sparkly type shade, like eyeshadow, and then I'll show you why you need the sparkly eyeshadow in a bit. If you like this look but you want to see me demonstrate it with different colours, just let me know down below what colour you want me to try and I will do it for you guys. I'm now going to take the darker shade that I showed you to blend this light blue out. There we go, all caught up now. As I was going to do when I realised that the other video wasn't recording, I'm going to take a super fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the light blue at the tops and in the corners, you know, just blend that out so it's not so dense, because as you can see, they're pretty harsh lines. There we go, as you can see, that worked a treat. I'm now going to go back in with my eyeshadow base primer and just fill in the gap in the middle of the eyeshadows on both my lids so that we can go in with the sparkly eyeshadow. I am just going to be using my fingertips, as I learned in the last video that I recorded but didn't post. I'll tell you about that later once all of my makeup is on. I figured out that using my fingers was the best way to go about doing this, so I'm just going to do it that way. I'm actually just going to do one eye at a time just because I don't want to open this eye properly and have that eyeshadow base smear everywhere. So I'm just going to put the sparkly shade called Hello, this lovely blue colour here, on that eyeshadow base. There we go, that first eye is done. It was so easy. Look how nice it looks. I'm now just going to go in with the dark blue shade and blend it out with the sparkly shade, because as you can see, it's a pretty harsh line between the sparkly blue and the dark blue. And there we go, that first eye is done. How easy was that? How quick was that? And it looks so good, yet so simple. That must not have taken me more than about 8 to 10 minutes to do that one eye. To some that might seem like a long time, but to me that's not very long, considering I've only recently, probably in the last year, started doing makeup properly, and like this, I guess. I still don't know how to put eyelashes on. I still don't know how to do my eyebrows. You know, there's a bunch of things that I still don't know. I'm 22 years old. Like, some people would probably be like, well, why don't you know this? Shouldn't you know this by now? But you start off somewhere and you learn like everyone else, like everything else, basically. So if you're new and you're just beginning, like, don't worry about it. It's fine if you don't know what you're doing. I'm now just going to quickly do the other eye, so I'll be back. There we go, both eyes are on. I love how they both turned out. I don't know if you can see that very well on camera, but I think they look great. I'm now just going to clean up my face, put my foundation and, you know, the rest of my face on, and I'll be back with you guys to put my eyeliner on. And then I also have these eyelashes that I want to put on with you guys as well, so you can watch me struggle to put them on and know that it is normal to struggle at first. There we go, I've put my foundation on, my highlighter, my contour, all of that jazz, and I am ready for my lipstick, my mascara, eyeliner, and doing the underside of my eye. I just wanted to point out something really quickly. This blush, from my last video, I feel like the more I use it, the more I dislike it. It comes out a bit patchy. I don't know if maybe I'm just not using a very good brush for it. It could be the case, but I'm not liking it very much. But there is something exciting. It's a bit disgusting already, but I did buy a beauty blender finally, and it arrived. I did use it for the first time in my the last video that I recorded that I'm going to explain about in a little while. So let me just quickly put on some mascara. There we go, my mascara is on. I'm going to put on some eyeliner as well. I am only going to be putting my eyeliner in my waterline today, just because of the type of look that I've got going on. So let me just quickly do that. find a better way of doing that because I always seem to ruin the makeup underneath my eye. Obviously holding down my eye, holding down the underside of my eye where I try to get to my waterline. But otherwise I feel like that method works quite well. It's just if I put my eyeliner on before the rest of my makeup, I don't think it would be there for very long. I'm just going to quickly put on some lipstick. This is the lipstick that I am using. It's by this person, this brand. My friend gave it to me. I have no idea how to say that, and I'm not going to even attempt to say that, but it is this very nice turquoise colour that I feel like is going to go quite well with my makeup, so I'm going to put that on quickly. My lipstick is on. I did just take that sparkly shade that I used for the Cut Crease just to go over the lipstick, and I think it actually turned out really nicely. I really like the way it looks. I think I'm done. I actually really like the way it has come out. I'm now going to attempt to put some eyelashes on. I'm going to just speed up this process because I know how long it's going to take. So you just enjoy watching me struggle. So that is always the easiest eye to go on in my opinion. That's why it pretty much went on straight away. I really hope you can see this in the camera because I absolutely adore these eyelashes. Now I'm just going to quickly try and put on the other one. There we go. That is the other one on as well. I really don't know how these went on so easily. Normally when I put eyelashes on, they take forever to go on, but maybe I just got lucky this time. Sometimes you just do, but that is it. That is the entire video. I just going to quickly use some setting spray and then I am completely done. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Before I go, let me just explain what happened, why I didn't upload a video last week. I tried to upload a video, I tried editing it on the editor that I use and it just was having none of it. I was having a lot of problems and I just haven't been able to record another video until now. That is why there wasn't one last week, so I do apologize. I really hope that doesn't dismay you from like subscribing to my channel because you think I'm not consistent or anything, because I definitely am going to try and upload a video every Saturday. Bye.